Hello friends, today topic is swing equation. So swing equation is nothing but it analyzes the stability of multi-connected system. Okay, where TSH is nothing but shunt torque, TM is nothing but electromagnetic torque. As we know, accelerate torque T small j is equal to TSH minus TEM. So this is we have to written as capital J D theta M d square theta M by dt square is equal to TSH minus TEM. So now multiply on both sides omega. Omega Sm. So then we have to written as omega Sm J d square theta M by dt square is equal to, so omega TSH into omega Sm is nothing but power mechanical power or shunt power minus electromagnetic torque into omega Sm is nothing but electrical power PE. Okay, now this omega Sm written as 2 by P omega S. This M is written as 2 by P, and this is as this J d square theta M by dt square is equal to mechanical power minus electrical power. As we know, uh, electrical angle is nothing but theta E is nothing but 2 pi P by mechanical theta. So we have to substitute in this. So 2p omega S is equal to J d theta E by d square theta E by dt square into 2 by P. Okay, is equal to mechanical power minus electrical power. As we know, momentum of inertia capital M is equal to J 2 by P whole square omega S. So we have to this equation substitute in this place. Now we have to written as capital M d square theta mechanical by dt square is equal to this P mechanical power minus electrical power is nothing but accelerator power PA. So like this we have to written. So M into d square theta electrical theta by dt square is equal to Pa. Pa is nothing but accelerated power. In every synchronous machine have angle, nothing but electrical angle is equal to omega st plus del. So this is nothing but theta electrical. So apply differentiation with respect to t on both sides. So now dt differentiation of theta electrical by dt, this is differentiation will omega s plus d omega by dt. Again differentiate, then now written as d square electrical theta by dt square is equal to, this is constant, differentiation means 0, so this is d square delta by dt square. So finally this equation we have to substitute in this equation. So finally m is equal to d square delta by dt square is equal to accelerated power. So we know d square delta by dt square is equal to infinity. So this infinity we have to substitute in above equation. M into infinity is equal to Pa. So this is the swing equation. So thank you friends.